Thinking of trading crypto on xbitmart.com? Wait a second, this might be one of the most important videos you watch before risking your money. At first glance, xbitmart.com presents itself as a promising new platform where users can buy, sell, and trade popular cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Solana, and Binance Coin. It sounds like a dream come true for anyone looking to get into crypto or expand their portfolio. But once you dig beneath the surface, a series of serious red flags start to appear, ones that you absolutely shouldn't ignore. First, the website has no visible security certifications like ISO or SOC 2, which are standard for platforms handling financial transactions. That alone should raise eyebrows. Then we discovered the domain was only registered on April 28, 2025, which means it's barely a few days old and still completely untested in the market. Worse, the design of the site seems to be directly copied from other scam websites that have already been flagged and taken down, which strongly suggests a lack of originality or transparency. The platform also name-drops big firms, creating the illusion of legitimacy, but there's zero evidence of real partnerships or endorsements. You won't find any genuine user reviews, community presence, or even discussions about it in credible crypto forums. It's as if it popped up out of nowhere. And that's not just our opinion. Even Insight.com has already flagged xbitmart.com for suspicious activity, further confirming our doubts. While we're not calling it an outright scam just yet, there's clearly nothing here that builds trust or long-term credibility. So before you even think about signing up or sending money, ask yourself, if something feels too new, too slick, and too quiet, should you really trust it? Always do your own research, and remember, in crypto, it's better to be safe than sorry.